Good morning, everybody. Here to dye up another t-shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash, or sodium carbonate, for the last 30 minutes or so. We're gonna twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. Got a medium. Good old medium tea.
Okay, so we changed plans and we're going to pleat vertically and do rainbow.
Yep.
I really want to try that color pattern I just did again when I can get some, what is it? Not sodium alginate, the other one.
Super clear?
Super clear.
Yeah.
It's like something clear. I'm gonna put this super clear because the problem is with that pattern, it's a good pattern, it's just the black and the purple is just really, black always really overtakes any project you do.
Yeah, I'll tell you what. Stop pleating right there at the side, each side of the yoke, right? Start pleating from the other side now. And pleat it up each direction. Leave the very middle, like the yoke, this part, leave it empty and just like kind of scrunch it a little bit. And so that way you'll be pleated down both sides with a strip down the middle that's just scrunched.
Well,
It's an idea.
It's an idea, but it's a little bit too complicated for right now.
All right.
But I'm going to put super clear in all of our colors, and I'm going to make a full bottle of everything. I'm about to go and order just this big 32-ounce bottle so we don't have to mix dyes every time because that's getting really annoying. And we're just going to mix a 32-ounce bottle of everything we use on a regular basis. Go through and make a list of the ones we use most often and order that many 32-ounce bottles.
And we do have new dyes and all sorts of stuff. We just haven't had time to even unpack anything, so
it's hard having a baby and a full job. And I think they're here.
And I'm trying to edit these as fast as I can. Sometimes, you know, they sit for a little while, but we try to get them out as fast as possible, but know that we're backed up there too, so. But I'm posting them as fast as I can.
I'm working on getting a new computer and a new camera. Okay.
To the dyeing rack.
And I thought I might just put black at the very top and bottom and then do a rainbow in between.
Whatever you want.
Would that be okay?
Yeah.
That way it still looks different. There we go.
I just want to do something different. I don't want to do the same thing, you know, 3 times in a row. As long as we don't do the same exact thing, that's fine.
It's the same color scheme, it's going to look completely different.
Okay.
I pleated a separate way, I'm doing the pattern in a separate way. It's just the same colors, that way we can wash them again. You see what I'm saying?
That's fine with me. want want to mix those new. We have a couple new blacks, and we haven't even mixed them yet. We really need to mix them. Not new black. That is new black. So first off, we have new black. Then it's going to be hot pink.
Hot pink. Orange sorbet.
Orange sorbet.
Ooh, that really overtook my paint down there. I'm at kind of a slope, so I'm at a disadvantage.
Yeah. Still got a little bit of sprinklage going on. Oh, the person that was asking about the bullseye tie-dye. We do not have the right purple to make the purple required for that right now. However, I should have the right purple by, when do you think would, I don't know.
Fair enough, tell 'em.
Yeah.
'Cause sometimes you can order stuff and they email you back and say, hey, we ran out before we get shipped.
Yeah,
So
we're about to
I don't
walk in there
even-
right now and order the stuff to do that one. We thought we had what we needed, and I think I could probably make something close to it, but I would rather just order something that I know is close to it than shoot for a maybe. Because it might take me a couple times to get it right to where it's close to that color. So, and we want some that color anyways. So my plan is, I'm about to walk in there right now. I'm going to order, I can't remember what the tone was that we identified just a second ago that looks almost identical to it. We already have all the other ones that we need, and so hopefully we'll be making it next weekend, if not the weekend after that. But I have not forgot about it. Like I said, we were going to make it today, but when we just tried out the color that I made as our first attempt for it, it wasn't even close. So
Go grab that.
we're gonna have to hold on that one. We tried today, I'm sorry. Could have made it today, but it would not have looked right. Because right now, all I have really to start trying to make a color like that is lavender and maroon. So it's not a really too good to start with. Both of those are already too dark. If I was going to try to mix my own, I would want to usually start with a lighter blue tone. And the one that I went with was apparently a little too light. So, but that's okay. Time for the flop. So all told on this one, we have new black, hot pink, orange sorbet, lemon yellow, citrus yellow, lime pop, baby blue, and lavender. What a beautiful tie-dye.
Lime pop. Lime pop. Baby blue. Let's not use enough baby blue.
Yep.
Lavender.
We'll be ready for the drying rack. Good saturation. To the drying rack.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Woo! Middle shelf where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it on out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.